Hey guys, Steve Lamback here at St.Albert Dodge. We got this beautiful 2018 Ford Explorer Sport behind me. This is the dark charcoal color. It's got the Sport package, so it's all blacked out, no chrome. We got the nice piano black grille with the bottom lower fascia. It's got the black inserts as well. It's got the nice LED lighting package coming around to the side. We got really nice aluminum wheels, the split 5 spokes. These are one of my favorites. It's two-tone, matches the paint really nice. The mirrors are also piano black finish. The door handlebars are also black finish, and the roof rails as well. Nice detail. This is a 5-passenger SUV, lots of room for all your passengers and your family. We got the LED lights coming around the back. The nice black piano trim on the back as well. We've got the parking sensors, backup camera, lots of space in the back for all your cargo, power liftgate, keyless entry. It's got the push to start with the built-in remote starter on the key. So you just keep this in your pocket, it never comes out. You can't lock yourself out of your vehicle as well. This vehicle actually has seating for 6, so the seats do fold down for extra storage. We got all your power buttons right here, conveniently located there to drop the seats down. So yeah, very nice vehicle. We also got the nice quad exhaust on the back and a trailer tow package behind this fascia here that you just can remove to tow all your goodies. Join me in the next video. We'll look at the back of the interior of the vehicle. Okay, we're back here with the 18 Ford Sport. We have the black trim. We got the nice all black trim and the nice carbon fiber accents here in the interior of this Explorer. The seats, the passengers can actually go through the middle, or you can actually flip this up quite easily to gain access to the back for your rear passengers when you need that extra space. The back of this Explorer also has HVAC controls for your passengers, conveniently located here. This model here does have the nice rear heated seats, low and high. It's got all your USB connections as well as your power connection here as well too, for your household plug, which is nice. It also has the nice rubber mats that are included from factory on this unit, so it keeps everything nice and tidy. Let's check out the front.